The Voice of the Rain is an extract from the poem Leaves of Grass by Walt Whitman. In this passage or in this poem, the speaker is having a conversation with a soft falling shower of rain. And the rain responds with a poetic voice personifying the rain itself. Here is a detailed summary, but first do subscribe to Ritesh Budden. And who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower. The speaker is asking the falling rain who or what it is, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated. The speaker finds it strange that the rain provides a response, and this is a translated version of that response. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. The rain personifies itself as the poem of earth. It suggests that the rain is a fundamental and poetic part of the natural world. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. The rain claims to be eternal, constantly rising from both the land and the vast sea. It is described as impalpable, meaning it cannot be felt or touched. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. The rain rises towards the heavens, undergoes transformation and yet remains connected to its original self. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe. The rain descends to quench the dryness, tiny particles and layers of dust on the earth. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. Means the rain is essential for bringing to life what would otherwise remain as dormant seeds, unmanifested and latent. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. Meaning, rain continuously replenishes life on earth, connecting itself to its origin, and make pure and beautify it. Meaning, the rain purifies and enhances the earth, contributing to its beauty. Now the words in brackets. For song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfilment, wandering, regged or unregged, duly with love returns. Explanation. Rain is compared to a song that, after emerging from its source, returns with love, whether it is acknowledged or not, illustrating the cyclical and nurturing nature of rain. Overall, these lines celebrate the life-giving and transformative qualities of rain, personifying it as a poetic force that continually rejuvenates the earth. Walt Whitman often explored the interconnectedness of nature and the human spirit in his poetry. These lines exemplify that theme. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.